So guys, another cool video. I just started doing something and I thought, you know what, hold on a second, let me record this for my dear subscribers and for my dear viewers. So, I need some custom cut grip tape, and I thought to myself, how do I do it? So, my board is the beast, so I thought some claw marks, like this Monster Energy claw marks, will do quite nicely, because I got some areas where I need to add on a bit of grip, especially underneath my heel. So, sticker. It's a brand new sticker. It is from the shop. They're giving out for free. You can use any other sticker. So when you take the actual sticker out and, I don't know, use it somewhere, what you end up with that plastic that is now left after you've taken the real sticker out. And that makes it a perfect template for your custom grip tape. So we're taking the Sharpie and we chased out this shape. I've stuck this tape actually onto the grip tape so it doesn't move, and I've outlined this close. And now, using normal scissors and a bit of time, we're going to cut this out. Ha! Simple, and it's going to look spot on. You can use any sticker that has a shape, so pretty much endless possibilities. And if you got kids, just give it to them. It's going to be just like in an art class. Plus you don't have to do anything. Look at this. Coming out quite nicely. So guys, literally 10 minutes later, the new grip tape, the custom grip tape, the original. Not bad, eh? Hey. And the final design will be left to the professionals. Yep, all the positioning is now done. Come on, let's finish off a couple of last bits so I can do that video. Go on. My daughter and I came up with the newest design. Couple of toys. We've got this extra line going across now for a bit of more grip under the heel. What do you reckon, guys? Please let me know. Don't know. Everyone will do their own. The little one likes it. Mila, do you like it? Yes, I like it. Nice.